Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to retweet on Twitter when prompted to quote tweet. First guys, you need to choose a photo or a post that, for example this one, and go on the second section and then choose quote tweet. After that you can add a comment, for example wow, and go for some smiley and go retweet. Go on the tweet. But guys, if you don't want to add a comment, for example, you can go and make sure go back and go delete this tweet. For example, go again on this and go quote tweet. You can simply cannot add some comment, go on retweet without adding something, and after that go on your profile again. As you can see, this is without adding a comment on this retweet. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and see you soon.